Handling complex customer queries with chatbots can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can significantly improve your customer support. First, ensure your chatbot has a robust knowledge base, encompassing detailed information and solutions to common complex issues. Train your chatbot on a wide range of scenarios and use cases, including edge cases and exceptions. Employ advanced natural language processing capabilities to enable your chatbot to understand nuanced language and context, accurately interpreting complex questions. Implement a seamless handoff process to human agents for queries beyond the chatbot's capabilities. This should be smooth and transparent to the customer, minimizing frustration. Use contextual awareness to maintain conversation flow and recall previous interactions, providing more personalized and effective support. Regularly analyze chatbot performance data, identifying areas where the chatbot struggles with complex queries. This data will guide improvements to your knowledge base and NLP training. Lastly, empower your human agents with the tools and information they need to efficiently solve complex issues escalated from the chatbot. By combining a well trained chatbot with a robust human support system, you can provide excellent customer support for even the most challenging inquiries.